Hello, this is Gary Barnes from Creative Hands Home Services. 301-736-0061 is our office number. Admin at creativehands4u.com is our email address. And www.creativehands4u.com is our website. Today we are in Suitland, Maryland, in an older home. And you can see that we have a lot of peeling on this particular wall because of condensation and because of rainwater penetration. It's been going on for a long time, so we're here today to bring this wall back to life. First being scraped down, then it will be skimmed with some Easy Sand 20, then it'll dry, be primed, and then painted 2 coats. So come back and take a look at the finished product. This is a good example of good or bad finishing skills. So you'll be able to see that we are highly trained finish and master carpenters here, and you'll see that in the work. Thank you, and look forward to making you a customer in the near future.